So I've been seeing this cutoff wheel on TikTok, and I just had to get one for myself just to try it out. It is a metal cutting disc, but it's metal. It's not made out of the carbon like all the other ones are. Got diamonds on it. It's supposed to be able to cut rebar, steel, copper, all of that good stuff. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to set it up, and we're going to put it on my grinder. I want to see if it's really cracked up what it says it's to be. It's supposed to be able to do 5,000 plus cuts. Well, we're not going to test that. I ain't got time for all that in this video. But we're going to try it out and see how it does. Well, I've got the disc mounted in my grinder. This is the 4.5. They do have it in other sizes. So I've got a piece of drive shaft here that we're going to cut off. See how well it works. Let's get to it. Well, I'm gonna have to say I'm actually quite impressed with this thing. It cut it right off, and not much any harm at all to that. So yeah, you guys are looking for a long time use cutoff wheel. I would definitely recommend this. If you're looking for one, just click the little shopping cart on the screen. Get yourself one today. I'm pretty impressed with it, and you will be too.